Hello everyone! Today, we're going to dive into the intriguing world of tiger collection videos. Now, I must clarify that it's not about keeping tigers as pets or promoting any harmful activities. The idea is to spread knowledge and awareness about these magnificent creatures. Tiger collection videos are a great way to educate people on the importance of these animals and the challenges they face in the wild. They give us an insight into their behavior, their habitat, and the threats they face. It's a fantastic way to promote wildlife conservation and raise awareness about endangered species. So, let's use these videos as a platform to spread knowledge and love for tigers and other animals. Remember, every animal deserves our respect and protection. Thank you so much for joining me today in this informative video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious.